Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are at Price Nature Center. We are in Shiawassee on Sheridan Road. This is an awesome rail trail. It looks like an awesome rail trail. We haven't been here before, but we're going to take a look at it. We're going to let you guys know what we think. We're going to post about it. We're going to put some pics on it, and we'll do a follow-up. And if you like it, we'll have more trails coming with more videos. Thank you. That's soft, but let's go. What? What are you doing? Oh, still recording?
Dad,
That's
don't
right.
help me down. Just grab my weapon.
Bridges. That's cool.
It's a nice addition.
If you guys like bridges, there's plenty of bridges. Looks like a lot of wide open space.
Well, I guess. Okay, good. It goes over towards.
No alcohol. No alcohol. Restrooms and picnic areas. Caution, poison ivy. Playground and trails this way. Yep, we gotta keep going over this way. Follow this trail, guys. Poison
If
ivy.
you got kids and they like playgrounds and they don't want to walk a lot, you can walk for a little bit and then you can go play on the playground. It's a nice addition.
Guys, look. Get this, Cody, so they can see it. Welcome to Price Nature Center. Over 3 miles of nature trails.
Nature mud. Yes, there is mud in nature.
Picnic area with grills and pavilion. Playground equipment. Observation platform overlooking the meadow. That's cool. Cross-country ski trails. Group campground available. Price in all seasons.
Awesome.
All right.
Let's check it out.
Go up the trail.
Yeah. Back on the trail.
Michael, since I gave him another piece of candy.
You know, this is looking pretty peaceful out here.
I'll take it.
I wonder if that's a pavilion that you can rent.
I think so.
Hopefully, I drove it. Oh, book bag. Shove it in the book bag.
You know, the only thing that's going to become a bummer about some of these is that if they're not well known, after seeing these videos, they become more mainstream probably. And you're not going to have as peaceful and quiet out here as you may want it.
And then we'll go find the next.
But then we'll be heading to the next spot.
We'll be almost everywhere in Michigan. We're gonna keep trying to find newer trails and posting at least twice a week.
A butterfly.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
Can you stop on that one and re-record or no? Okay, pause it. Take a break. And then see if you can't. Now, would you have to repost all the videos out? One, mush them together.
Yours
Yeah.
doesn't pause.
No, it just stops. So, is it stopped right now?